Welcome to Simple Finance, where we're about to embark on an exciting journey into the world of artificial intelligence and how you can make money with it. If you've ever wondered how AI can be your financial ally, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. Understanding AI basics. Before we begin, let's demystify AI for those who might be new to the concept. Artificial intelligence refers to the ability of machines to mimic human intelligence. Think of it as smart software that can learn, adapt, and perform tasks autonomously. AI-powered freelancing. One of the easiest ways to make money with AI is through freelancing. Many businesses are in constant need of AI experts to solve problems or develop AI-powered solutions. Websites like Upwork and Freelancer are great platforms to offer your AI skills. AI-powered content creation. Are you a content creator or blogger? AI can be your new best friend. Tools like ChatGPT-3 can help generate high-quality articles, social media posts, or even video scripts, saving you time and effort. AI-powered e-commerce. Running an online store? AI can supercharge your business. Use AI for personalized product recommendations, chatbots for customer support, or price optimization. This not only improves user experience, but also boosts sales. Stock market predictions. Interested in investing? AI-powered algorithms can analyze vast amounts of financial data to make predictions about stock market trends. While it's not foolproof, it can be a valuable tool for informed investing. Online courses and training. Are you an AI expert? Consider creating online courses or offering AI training. Many people are eager to learn AI, and you can make money by sharing your knowledge. So there you have it, a variety of ways to make money with AI. Whether you're a freelancer, content creator, entrepreneur, or investor, AI has opportunities waiting for you. Start exploring, learning, and applying AI in your ventures, and watch your income grow. Thanks for joining us today on Simple Finance. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification